Hello everyone! Ito na naman tayo. We're making mango ice cream cake. So, paano ba ito gawin? So, just watch the full video for the decoration. So, order po pala ito sa customer ko. Hindi ko na mabilang yung order nila. So, we have the chiffon cake and of course the homemade ice cream na ginawa natin kahapon. So, pinaano lang natin. So, you can see na ito yung ipapalaman natin. So, instead na frosting, we're using the ice cream, homemade ice cream as a filling in the middle of the cake. So, I did buy the cake. So, it's 4. Ano yun siya. So, just put all the ice cream and since it's a little bit hard, so medyo nahihirapan tayong mag-spread. So, but it's okay. At least, hindi yung mamelt yung ice cream natin. So, since ice cream siya, so we will do this fast. Madaliin natin yung pag-decorate. So after this one, you just put the second layer, then of course, ice cream na naman. So make sure that you cut already your cake. So I put the second layer, then I will put another ice cream on the top. So, until matapos itong apat na layer na cake. So, ice cream po yan lahat. So, if you want to learn how to make very easy recipe of ice cream, mango ice cream, homemade, so you can search on my playlist. May may homemade ice cream po ako, how to make homemade ice cream. So, after this one, so since that 4 layers done, so I prepare to use the buttercream frosting. Yung condensed buttercream. So, kasi para mas hindi siya madaling malusaw yung ice cream natin. So, we have to make sure that this buttercream frosting can hold the ice cream also. So this is not the first time making this mango ice cream cake, because one of my customer loved to order this one. So we'll make sure we cover everything. So para so madaliin natin siya para hindi malusaw yung So after na ma-cover mo ito lahat, smooth na natin para syempre maibalik na natin siya sa refrigerator kasi sobrang init po, matutunaw yung ice cream natin. So, bear with me sa decoration until the end po. So, make any parang combination ng kulay. So, we will just add white frosting. So, buttercream and syempre. Then, we will spread it nicely. Then, we will smooth this one so that we can put the final decoration for this ice cream cake. Kasi, we have to finish na this. And, we'll just make using this scraper, like may mga tatlong yung mga different sizes ng parang ngipin siya po sa so I will make the final decoration for this ice cream cake. And of course, before we will put all our rosette or our final decoration, we just have to clean the cake board so that siya, magandang tingnan. So always clean your cake board pagkatapos po ng pag smooth ng frosting natin. If you can see on your frosting, look like it's not level design, so you can just make a correction on your final design since para maganda naman tingnan yung and presentable yung cake. So, the final decoration for the bottom of the cake is two-tone. Parang dalawang kulay po siya. Yung paglagay mo ng white, ipahid mo lang sa piping bag, tapos saka mo ilagay yung frosting na yung pinaka-main na kulay. So, para lang magkaroon ng parang color combination. after sa top na rosette na ginagawa natin, so make sure na may na-slice ka na po na mango. Syempre, yung hinog na mangga. So, make sure na na-drain po yung water. So, lagay mo lang sa strainer para hindi magtubig yung walang tubig or walang juice ng mango na ilagay mo doon sa cake para hindi naman maging mabasa yung So, make sure na drain mo. So, ito na yung final decoration ng cake. 8th birthday po. So, thank you for watching and God bless.